Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you are new. As you can tell by the title, today's video is going to be a haul. As you guys know, I have been in school the past few months and wasn't able to do a ton of shopping, but now that I've been on break, I went ahead and stopped at my two favorite stores, Ulta and Target, and picked up some new products. So I'm very excited for the first product. It is the Tarte Chrome Paint Shadow Pots. I picked up two of them. So they come in this packaging right here, and I got mine in the shade Park Avenue Princess and Sun Drenched. So this is what they look like when you take it out of the package. It's literally just a little pot. And when you open it up, here is the product. So this one here is Park Avenue Princess. It is a bit more on the bronzy side. And then this one here is Sun Drenched. They look really similar, but this one's actually more of a golden tone, while the other one's more bronze. Let's see if these show up. So this one here, ooh, super pigmented. This one here is Park Avenue Princess. I was not expecting that to be so pigmented, but then next to it here is Sun Drenched. So I think now it's a little bit easier to see. Like I said, the first one, Park Avenue Princess, is more bronzy, while the bottom one, Sun Drenched, is a bit more on the golden side. The next product I picked up is a lip gloss. This one is by Maybelline. It's the Maybelline Vivid Hot Lacquer Color Sensational Lip Gloss, and I got mine in the color Unreal. So I don't know if you can see it here. It is a very nude tone, but it's actually a bit more on the brown side rather than the pinky side, which is something I've been looking for, and I think this is a really pretty shade. Here is the applicator. I already have lip gloss on, so I'm not going to apply it, but I will swatch it for you here. The next item I picked up is from Ulta. I'm definitely a sucker for those little mini products they have at the checkout line. So of course I bought this when I saw it. It's a set of 3 dry shampoos. So I have recently purchased the full size of this one here in the center and I've loved it. So I figured this would be a good way to try out the other 2 scents. And since they're mini, they'd be perfect for travel or on the go. So the 3 scents they come with is Tropical, the original one, and then Blush. I used to hate dry shampoo, but ever since trying these out, I actually really like it, and it's super convenient when you're trying to make your hair last one more day. Also at Ulta, I picked up this concealer. I've never tried it before, but the lady working recommended it to me. It's the IT Cosmetics Bye Bye Under Eye Full Coverage Concealer. So I knew I was running low on concealer and wanted something very full coverage. I'm sure many of you have seen this before, but this is how it looks. The way you apply it is you actually squeeze the product onto your finger. You're supposed to warm it up and then dab it on. For anyone wondering, I got mine in the shade 12.0, which is called Light Sand, and this shade is meant for people with lighter skin with a warm undertone. Next, I picked up some new shampoo and conditioner. I'm normally not picky about the brand I use and I always change it up. This one I think is new because I've been seeing it on commercials on TV and it sounded interesting, so I decided to give it a shot. It is the Suave Coconut Oil Infusion line. So it says that this line is supposed to repair damage. Yeah, it's supposed to repair damage, and it's for normal to damaged hair. I actually have never ever dyed my hair, but I do use hot tools quite frequently. So I thought it'd be a good idea to use this to maybe prevent damage or just add some more moisture into the ends of my hair since they can get a bit dry. It is coconut scented, so it smells amazing, and I always run out of conditioner way faster than shampoo. So for the first time ever, I've decided to buy the smaller shampoo and the larger conditioner, and I'm gonna see if I run out at the same time now instead of running out of conditioner first. The final product I picked up is a repurchase, and if you guys have been watching my channel, you know I love the L'Oreal Voluminous Carbon Black Mascara. This is my favorite mascara, and I've probably repurchased this like, I don't even know, 20 times. Okay, so that's all I have for you guys today. I hope you enjoyed this video. If so, please be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you're new. Also, don't forget to follow me on Instagram. I'll leave the link down below in the description box. Be sure to check out my upcoming videos. I am gonna have a holiday giveaway very, very soon. But as always, thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you until next time. Bye!